Welcome to the top best. The best Brinkmann Grill Parts is probably one of the most essential components for any grilling enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting out, having the right parts can make all the difference in your grilling experience. From burners and grates to igniters and heat plates, the quality of your Brinkmann Grill Parts directly impacts the flavor, performance, and longevity of your grill. So, let's dive in and explore what makes these parts stand out. Number 5. Brinkmann Stainless Steel Heat Plates. Are you looking to enhance your grilling experience? These stainless steel heat plates are designed to do just that. They are a perfect fit for your grill. This set of 4 heat plates is compatible with several Brinkmann grill models. It's designed to fit perfectly, ensuring optimal performance. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it's built to last. The plates are durable and can withstand high temperatures, providing even heat distribution. Each heat plate measures 15.125 by 3.75 inches. This size is specifically designed to fit your grill, ensuring a seamless replacement. Replacing your old heat plates is simple. Just remove the old ones and install these new stainless steel plates. It's a quick and easy upgrade. What we like. These stainless steel heat plates are built to last. They are made of high-quality stainless steel and are designed to be a perfect fit for your Brinkmann grill. If you're looking for a durable and reliable replacement part, you should consider this one. What people say. These fit perfectly in my grill and they even disperse the heat inside my grill. Fit perfect, easy install, works great. Grill is now like new. These heat plates fit my Brinkmann grill perfectly. Removal of the old plates was simple as was installing the new ones. The metal quality seems to be up to the task and my grill is back to optimal cooking efficiency. Number 4. GGC Grill Grates Replacement for Brinkmann. Are you looking for replacement grill grates? This product is designed to replace the old ones. It is a perfect fit for your grill. This replacement is compatible with multiple Brinkmann models, including 810-8410F and 810-2410S. It also fits Browning and Charmglow grills. Please check the list to see if it fits your grill. The package includes 3 pieces of grill grates. The dimensions are 17.34x8.15.16 for each grate, and 17.34x26.13.16 for all 3. They are designed to provide ample grilling space. These grates are made of porcelain-coated cast iron. This material is durable and long-lasting, ensuring it can withstand high temperatures. It will make your barbecue more delicious. Before ordering, please measure the size and shape of your original grates. Compare them with the dimensions provided to ensure a perfect fit. This will help you avoid any inconvenience. What we like. These grill grates are made of porcelain-coated cast iron, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. They are designed to make your barbecue goods more delicious. If you are looking for a grate that will last and improve your grilling experience, you should choose these. What people say. Fits my Brinkmann grill perfectly. Clean immediately after use. Well put in dishwasher with steam to clean. These were a direct replacement for the old ones that rusted. They fit just right. Item was as described and shipped quickly. Number 3. Criditpid Grill Heat Plate Replacement. Are your grill heat plates worn out? This replacement set is designed to fit a wide range of Brinkmann, Uniflame, and Aussie grill models. It's the perfect solution to get your grill back in top shape. Made from durable porcelain steel, this heat plate set ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting performance. The material is designed to withstand high temperatures and resist corrosion, making it a reliable choice for your grilling needs. This replacement set is compatible with numerous Brinkmann models, including 810-3660S and 810-2512S. It also fits Uniflame, Aussie, and other brands. This versatility makes it a convenient choice for various grill owners. The dimensions are 15.38 by 3.15.16 inches, and the set includes 5 heat plates. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to quickly replace your old plates and get back to grilling. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. By replacing your old heat plates with this set, you'll improve heat distribution and prevent flare-ups. This will result in more evenly cooked food and a better grilling experience. It's a small change that makes a big impact on your meals. What we like. This heat plate shield is made of porcelain steel, which is known for its durability and heat resistance. It's compatible with a wide range of Brinkmann models. If you have a grill that needs a reliable heat plate replacement, you should consider this one. What people say. The grill grates fit perfectly and were easy to install. The replacement parts were exactly what I needed and the grill is working like new again. The burners were a perfect fit and easy to install. Number 2. Criditpid Universal Heat Plate Shields for Grills. Introducing the Criditpid Heat Plate Shields, a universal fit for various grill models. It can be extended from 11.75 to 21 inches, making it easy to adjust to your grill's needs. This design saves you time and effort. These replacement parts are compatible with a wide range of grill brands, including Charbroil, Brinkmann, and more. It is designed to replace parts for various models. This ensures you can find a suitable replacement. Made with heavy-duty porcelain-coated steel, this product is built to last. It offers strong oxidation and corrosion resistance. This ensures it cooks better and extends the life of your grill. Installation is quick and easy with bolts and wing nuts. Simply adjust it to the length you need and tighten the bolts. It's time to replace your old flame tamer and elevate your grilling experience. These heat plates are engineered with heavy-duty porcelain-coated steel for unmatched durability. They are designed as exact fit replacements, optimizing cooking efficiency and extending your grill's lifespan. This will improve your grilling experience. What we like. These heat plates are adjustable and designed to fit a variety of grills. They are built with heavy-duty porcelain-coated steel for long-lasting performance. If you have a grill and want a versatile and durable heat plate solution, you should consider these. What people say. They fit my Kenmore grill perfectly and should give good service at a very reasonable price. Easily adjustable with no tools, and fit the grill perfectly. These were replacements for rusted heat tents in my grill. They were easy to install and seem to be holding up well. Number 1. Brinkmann Grill Replacement Parts for 810 Series. Is your Brinkmann grill seen better days? These replacement parts are designed specifically for your model. They will make it work like new again. These parts are compatible with Brinkmann 810-2410S, 810-2411F, and 810-2411S gas grills. The kit includes everything you need for a full refresh. Made from high-quality stainless steel, they resist rust and corrosion. You can count on it to last, even with frequent use. The kit includes heat plates, burners, and crossover tubes. It's a complete solution to extend the life of your grill. These exact fit parts make installation simple. Just compare the size and model before purchasing. If you have any issues, we are here to help. We stand behind our product with a full satisfaction guarantee. Contact us if you have any issues. We are here to help. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary parts to rebuild your grill. They are made of stainless steel for rust and corrosion resistance. If your grill needs a complete overhaul, you should consider this kit. What people say. Parts fit our Brinkmann 810 4-burner grill almost perfectly. Stainless steel burner shields are nicer than the old black enameled ones. Delivery was right on point. The pipe burners fit perfect for the type of barbecue I have, Brinkmann. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.